In this video, we will show you how to set up a holiday schedule in our Titan Vsaxess desktop software. In the left menu, go to Holiday Schedule. Right-click on the white space and select Add Common Holiday Schedule. For Holiday 1, we will set the first holiday. The first 2 digits represent the month, and the last 2 digits represent the day. For testing purposes, we will enter 0527. We will also add Holiday 2 as 1225 for December 25th. Once done, click Save. Next, go to Access Group in the left menu. Right-click on the white space and select Add Access Group. Choose the door, and under the Permit column, change the setting to Yes. Then under the Holiday Schedule column, select New Common Holiday Schedule and click Save. In the left menu, go to Employee and select the employee you want to add to the new access group. In this case, we select John. Under the Card and Group section, edit the Access Group field by choosing the new access group. Employees in this group will not be able to open doors during the holiday schedule. Repeat this process for each employee you want to assign to the group. In the left menu, go to Setup Download. Right-click on the controller and select Start Smart Download. Once completed, go to the top menu, click Monitor, and select List Monitoring. Click on the green square under the controller title to start monitoring. To demonstrate, if we swipe John's card on Reader 1 during the holiday schedule, access will be blocked and the event type will show Illegal Card because the card was swiped during a restricted period. To stop monitoring, click the red square under Controller and then click OK.